Holiday party invite. Hey guys, I just wanted to remind you about our holiday party that's coming up on December 11th, which is next weekend. So there's still time for you guys to RSVP. We've had kind of a lower turnout than expected, so for those of you that are concerned about having plenty of space, I think we might be able to meet that requirement. But anyway, the holiday party is December 11th at 1 p.m., which is a Saturday at Dixie Crossroads, which is here in Titusville. If you want to participate in Yankee Swap, $10 to $15 gift. And please email Peggy Bohl, my good friend, at peggy.bohl, B-O-H-L, at gmail.com, so that you can RSVP. Do not RSVP through me. I am too busy. Sorry. For those of you that have cars here, though, that's a breath of fresh air, right? All right. I hope to see you guys there. And if I haven't met you in person before and you guys have never been to anything involving my shop, I'd love to see even more. So thank you so much, and enjoy the holidays.